Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Alexander Odehnya. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you guys enjoy the holiday. Now we are back to work. Sorry, I've been enjoying my own holiday. So basically today I will show you guys how to set up your system. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I have a system here which I'll be showing you guys how to. So a colleague of mine just got it, so I'm trying to explain how to set it up. So let's get started. This is the side legs, leg, the stand, and this the handle. So basically, we start with the leg. First of all, we sit the leg properly. So you untie this, spread this one out, spread this one out. So we have this on this side, and we have this on this side. So then we lock this into position. So this one we have three, it's like a star. So after this, then we lock this into position. So this is the first thing we do basically. So second thing we do is take this one out of the box. When you buy something new, these are one of the benefits. Yes, we nylon to unwrap. So these are supposed to be the stand, then this goes in here. So we unlock this again. So it has clicked. If you look closely at this edge, you can see there's a curve in between this part and this part. This part. You make sure that part gets inside, then you get the click. So put that inside. So there's a click on that, so then you lock this back to make sure it's firm and steady. So with that, we have this in position. The next thing we put now is a handle for the light. So for this, we have this rubber. Then watch on like that. I mean, it's part of it. So basically, this goes into this part. Yeah. Then we unlock this screw here. So now we have to put this into this place. So we lock this back into position. Okay. So basically, I think this is the basic thing we have to do with the C stand. So this other part, it's just like this other one. It's either if you have extra lights you want to hang with a pole, you can add this somewhere around here, you add the other lights, whatever you choose to do with this. But since we have extra, we just want this for one light. What we basically do with this is we add this here and we lock it. We lock it into position. Sorry. So now it's in position. Then we tighten it. Or basically, you can actually just put it in this area. Then we lock it back. So it can, if you probably want to add, probably light is a little bit too. So probably light is a little bit too heavy. You can either use this as a weight. You can put your weight here. So this will add as a shocker for your weight. Your light. So, but if your light is not that heavy, you can just let it go, and that's will serve as weight. Now, you can see I placed this stuff strategically. It might not be obvious here, but I place this strategically. Let me explain that to you. You can see this feet. There's one here, there's one here, there's one here. Always let your light standing here, let it be resting directly on the tallest, on the strongest feet.
Okay.
So because you put your light on this other feet,
Okay.
like this, if you put your light on it, you might the wind might blow from this other side, because this is where the major strength is. So once the light blows it, it can fall down.
Okay. Okay.
But since I've placed it this way, even the light should push the air, or somebody push the stand. If this thing is strong, you can see it's actually lifting the other two legs away. So you can always make sure your light is this way. So that way, if I put my light here, I have an assurance that the weight is laying on the strongest foot of the system. So that's how to set up a system. Okay, basically this is the 8600. I have the battery fixed, I have the bulb also fixed. So I'm also placing it on the lights. So I'm not going to be risking showing you the various legs. So I'm going to use the strongest legs. The equipment now is very expensive. I don't want to risk. So I'm probably losing the nuts here. So basically,
Yes.
yeah, right now. Always put things in place so alright, so basically you can see now. So basically I'm resting the light on the strongest foot. So basically you can see the weight is right here on this, so we don't have any fear for anything whatsoever. So the reason why I'm facing this light, the bulb this way, because we are using a parabolic box, so it will come into the parabolic box and comes outside. But if we're using an octa soft box or something, then we can actually turn the other way around. So we can click it. It has the S-mount version on the mount, so we can just click it and to lock it. So basically, this assistant is your light, the 600, and this outsets it up. So you have a soft box here.
Yes, I do.
So that's how to set up a system. So my name is Alexander Odefian, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll see you guys next week. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button, and you can also hit the notification button, and please try and comment. Let me know what tutorial you want me to create next, and I'll be glad to create them. Thank you very much.